guys are having a nice time. This is Chef A's. I'll be teaching you how to make the awesome suya. Actually, everybody likes suya, but for me, I love to eat it, but I'm scared. You don't need to crack the bank, hit the bank. So that's why I bought this little and small quantity of meat. It's not much. To tell you, I bought this, it's not up to 200 naira of beef. So I'm going to be making a suya for you. The first thing is, ensure you are able to cut it to thin. Imagine this. It's not up to 20 naira. Just ensure they go in on the skewers, put them in, and do as much as you can until you exhaust the space on the skewers. So just thread them that way and just lay them out. Do the same with all the skewers. We're gonna have it there. Let's put them on the plate so you can see. Add the suya pepper. Add some salt. Be careful of salt because the meat is not really thick. It's teeny tiny stuff, and so you don't have to add too much salt. Sprinkle some salt in it. Add some suya pepper. Feel free. You want to do a little bit more add some chili. Finally, you're going to add some oil into it. Which oil am I using this time? I'm using the coconut oil. Homemade coconut oil. I make my oils myself, my coconut oil myself. So be really sure. So this is it. Just marinate it, and it's time for us to put on our meat. Okay, what we're gonna do now is we want a bowl so that we can put that on the side of our suya, make it a little bit more fancy, make it a little bit more attractive. So I'm gonna get out a lovely size of this cabbage to create an awesome bowl. Fantastic. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? We add our oil into the pan, and then our suya. It doesn't really take time when you make a pan suya, pan grilled suya. Okay, it's not difficult to make this homemade suya. It's homemade and it's very quick. Our suya is ready. Wow, it's so easy to make this awesome buy. Hope you've learned those recipes. Go out there, get a little meat, shave it, put them on skewers. You don't have a skewers, you have a toothpick. You don't have a toothpick, put them on the pan directly, put those spices on it, and you'll be having your suya. It's a homemade suya. See you next week as we come up with more better recipes. We love you.